And now you're going to do the same with your monthly expenses. So again, in the spreadsheet that I provide, when you enter your credit card account in the debt section, that account name and number would then propagate into the expense section where you will enter the monthly payment amount that you are making each month. You want to total up your total credit card monthly payments and then all of your other monthly expenses. So this is where you would put in your rent, your mortgage, your vehicle monthly payments, your medical debt payments or student debt payments, your groceries, your cable bill, your telephone bill, all of your home utilities, life insurance, health insurance, everything that you have an expense for each month. You're going to enter all of that in here to come up with your total monthly expenses. And now before we move into the assets section, you'll see this area in my settlement target spreadsheet called cash flow. This is where you want to calculate the actual positive or negative cash flow that you have each month. Meaning if your income is larger than your expenses, you'll have a positive cash flow. And if your expenses are larger than your income, you'll have a negative cash flow. And if the two are equal, you'll have what I call a break-even cash flow. And the reason we want to calculate your cash flows, we want to get an understanding of how much extra money, even if it's a little bit, that you have each month that you can put towards your settlement fund. If you're in negative cash flow, we'll see as we get into the strategy section, you're going to want to start looking at how to increase income or decrease expenses in order to move you into that positive cash flow so that you're covering all of your bills and have a little more each month that you can put into that settlement fund. Total income minus total monthly expenses will either be a positive number or a negative number. That will be either your positive monthly cash flow or your negative monthly cash flow. So that's why the cash flow section is here now that you have your income and your expenses to calculate your cash flow.